Oh, I really would like to know who is going to win this year.
Well, there's a lot of historical data. It seems like it's something that could be done.
You mean using data science?
Yes, machine learning can be used for many prediction tasks.
But it seems really complicated with a lot of maths and equation, isn't it?
Actually, there is a tool called scikit-learn that makes it quite easy to learn predictive models.
Sounds useful for so many things. How do I learn more about that?
Predictive modeling brings value to a large variety of data, from everyday life applications to business intelligence, healthcare, and industrial processes. It is a pillar of modern data science. But how to build prediction rules from the data? Scikit-learn is a central tool for predictive modeling and artificial intelligence. It is easily accessible and yet powerful. It is based on the Python programming language. In this course, entitled Machine Learning in Python with Scikit-learn, you will learn the practical aspects of machine learning. It focuses on tabular data, given that such data is often used in industry. Step by step, you will discover the fundamental tools and approaches of machine learning and more advanced concepts of data science, such as cross-validation or gradient-boosted decision trees. It will teach you to understand and be critical about each step, from choosing models to interpreting them. The course is intended for beginners without a strong technical background, except basic knowledge of Python programming, NumPy, and Pandas libraries. Join the course!